Some plants are very ambitious. They dream of touching the sky, while some don't want all that and just wish to lay down and enjoy. In today's episode, we are going to see that how some climbers climb so high, while why some creepers just choose to stay on the ground. So there's two types of plants, that is creepers and climbers. They do not have a sturdy stem, यानी इनके स्टेम में इतनी ताकत नहीं होती है कि वो प्लांट्स सीधे ग्रो कर सके. So that's why they have adapted to different ways to survive, and that is exactly what we are going to see in this video. First one which we'll be discussing now are the climbers. जो climbers होते हैं, they are like natural climbers. They are made for climbing, and just by providing a little support, हम उन्हें जैसे shape में चाहिए या जैसे direction में चाहिए, we can make them grow in that direction. These climbers can be categorized into 5 different categories, which are based on the ways that they climb on their support. So let's see them. He has decided to join us. Anyway, so the first type of the climbers, or the first category of climbers, are the ones that have tendrils. So tendrils are those hairy structures which are present along the stem. And these tendrils, they just try to reach out in the air until the plant finds the proper support to climb on. And as soon as the plant finds the support, these tendrils, they just curl up around the support and helps the plant grow upwards. Now, these tendrils, they are also categorized into 2 types based on where they are present. So some tendrils are present along the leaves and some tendrils are present along the stem. Next one are the twiners. Twiner types of climbers are the ones in which the plant itself, it twines or twists around the support, and it gets attached to it and then grows up. Now this twiners can have such a strong grip that they can even pull down the support that they have climbed upon. Now these twiners are also categorized into 2 types. The one where the twiners, they climb up or twist around with the help of leaves, and the ones which twist around with the help of stem. So the next type of climbers are the scramblers. Now scramblers are the ones who use hooks or such things to stay attached to the support. For example, a climbing rose uses its thorns to stay attached to the support. So the next type of climbers are the ones with adhesive pads. Now these adhesive pads, they are present either on the stem or behind the leaves, and they are so sticky and strong that they help the climbers to stay attached or stuck on the support. And the last type of the climbers are the clinging stem root type of climbers. Now they have the roots present along the stem which help them to stick or stay attached to the support. And just like the adhesive pads type of climbers, they have so strong grip that they can attach to any surface. It could be a smooth surface or the porous surface. It just doesn't matter to them. And here are some examples of climbers. As you could see in the examples, जो climbers होते हैं, they mostly bear flowers. और flowers का जो weight होता है, it is comparatively very less. So इसीलिए it is easier for climbers to climb up. And there is one more interesting fact about some of the climbers. जो कुछ climbers होते हैं, they don't start growing leaves unless they have found the support. So only when they have the support, the leaf starts to grow. So aren't climbers really smart? So creepers are the plants who just like to stay on the ground or grow horizontally along the ground. Now the main reason for doing so is that most of the creepers, they bear heavy fruits like pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. So it is very difficult for a plant with such a weak stem to grow upwards carrying all these heavy fruits along with it. So ये एक main reason है why creepers, they like to stay on the ground. Now let us look at some of the types of creepers. So the first one is the foliage creeper. Now this type of creepers, they are very dense, और ये कोई एरिया में अगर ग्रो करते हैं तो दे कवर अप द होल पैच. So this type of creepers are used to cover up some of the areas that you don't want people to look at. They are mostly used by gardeners to cover up the patches and the corners of their garden. Now the next type of creeper are the moss-like creepers. And the other two types of creepers are the fruiting creepers and the flowering creepers. And we know the fruiting creepers, like we discussed, the pumpkins, the watermelons and the muskmelons. So that was it about the creepers. And now let's look at some of the uses of these creepers and climbers. So the creepers and climbers are mainly used for their decorative purposes in the gardens or inside the homes. These are very low maintenance plants and they can grow anywhere you want them to grow. If we provide a proper support and proper structure, the creepers and climbers can be used to make a beautiful shed out of them. So that was it for today's video, where we saw different types of creepers and climbers. We also understood that the main difference between both of them and also saw some of the examples of both the plants. So if this video helped you understand the difference between creepers and climbers, do press the like button and share this video with all your friends to help them understand the difference between these two. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. And also stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself.